community that, before the there was a heavy downpour, and that caused the flood, and people die out of this. And the cause of the flood is that the gutters, the big gutters in Accra is choked. And the basic thing that the AMA force have done is to distill the gutter. Now he has not distilled the gutter. He's doing a demolition. In case that nature again, that nature phenomenon occur, that there is another heavy downpour. These people that will demolish the houses that will know where to stay. Where are they going? Are they not going to die again? Are they not going to die again? Our leaders are refusing to think. They think that they only have their human rights, and the people that they rule don't have their human rights. And they are our masters, and so we should follow them. Meanwhile, the people that they are ruling, they are refusing to serve them. So my concern is that the boss, the AMA boss, has refused to think to do his basic responsibility than to go and distill the gutters instead to come and demolish the people's buildings where they are, the structures where they are living. So he should rethink. He should rethink. If he's a good leader, he should rethink. If his children or his wife should have been in this situation, what is he going to do? If he has his own human right, as he has demolished the people now, they will go back and eat and sleep in a comfort zone. If there is another heavy downpour, what is he going to do? As he is the boss, if he is the boss and he has refused to distill the gutters, who should go and distill the gutters? They go in all around and take our taxes money. We are the taxpayers' money. Why are they using the taxpayers' money for?
So now, what are you doing? What business are you doing?
Accra, I sell.
So which part of Ghana are you from?
I'm from Volta.
Volta. Here now. And what are you selling?
Do you sell here? Do you sell along this line?
They demolished the home. And do you have a place to sleep now?
That's the situation now. Where should we go?
And do you have will you be able to take anything?
This is going to even bring a lot of unrobbery.
Why not?
It's going to bring prostitution and so many social vices. This is what I'm saying, that the leaders don't think. They've just gone through the system. They don't think.
Will you be able to take something?
Yes, answer the questions that you asked.
Are you able to take anything from
Most of the things were destroyed. Most of the things were left there. The few things that is a provision, Milo and others, most of them were destroyed. What is taken is just few.
Thank you very much. Message.
From Friday.